Hello, my name is Ileana. CamelAI is an AI data analyst that learns the structure of your data and can answer questions and generate bespoke reports. To get started, choose the data source you want to use, and then add a short description of that data set. Today, we're using a sample data set for an AI chatbot. Next, you describe your report goals. If you're not sure where to get started, you can choose a recommended goal, but today I'll keep it general and ask for a product usage report over the month of September. Finally, CamelAI will generate some sample metrics based on our database schema and report goals. I'll choose a few that apply to me, like number of users and chat interactions. Report generation can take a few minutes as the LLM explores your dataset. Now let's explore the report it generated. CamelAI works by using an LLM to plan a report with metrics it would like to see. Then it spawns multiple workers to create queries that work on your dataset. You can see reports are detailed with multiple metrics. Each metric includes a visual. Now let's look into one of the graphs CamelAI created. This graph captures the daily active users versus a 7-day rolling average. For each graph, you can see the raw data it pulled and used to create that graph. You can also download that dataset directly if you'd like to use it outside of the tool. You can also see the query it generated if you'd like to better understand how it got to this conclusion. Finally, if I have any questions about the metric, I can start a chat easily and ask for more information. Whether you're a founder trying to understand your growth metrics or a product manager tracking user engagement, CamelAI connects directly to your database and helps you get the insights you need.